So assignment 15, PAA 2.2, you're going to analyze linear relationships. So an increasing linear relationship, it goes up by the same amount each time, so we'll have a positive slope. So as x goes up, y goes up. They call the slope in this lesson a rate of change. So slope has a lot of names. They call it M, they call it rise over run, they call it slope, and they call it rate of change. So this one would be a positive. You read a graph from left to right, just like you read a book. So if you look at that graph, are you going uphill or downhill? Uphill, so it's positive. So a negative linear relationship, y goes down as x goes up. It has a negative rate of change, or slope. So the example shows x going up and the y value going down. If you read the graph from left to right, you're going downhill. It shows you negative. It's a negative rate of change or negative slope. No slope is y does not change as x goes up. This is called no slope or no rate of change. So if you had a table, let me recalibrate that and I'll do that again. Okay, so if you had an x-y table, y would stay the same and x would go up. So that would be no slope. It would just be a horizontal line. You'd have like y equals, you'd say what y equals. Okay, and y equals mx plus b. B is always your starting point. They call it the constant. I know we call it b, we call it the y-intercept. They also call it the constant. It's where it always starts there. It's the constant in the problem. And remember, x is your independent variable, y is your dependent variable. Okay, you notice my little green bicycle. If it goes up, what's happening to my bicycle?
It's
positive, which what's that mean?
change, rate of change.
Rate of change is going, so it's speeding up, right? Right here it says there's no rate of change, so it's going at a constant speed, right?
Mm-hmm.
And then if it goes down, it's slowing down, which is a negative. Let's look right here on the graph. Right here, if I had my little bicycle, my bicycle going up, this would be positive. This would be negative. So right here, what if it's at 0 for a long time? What happens? Constant. But if it's at 0, it means it's stopped, right? There's no change. And then it goes back up, so it's positive.